Hey everyone, it's Keto. Welcome back to my channel. This is me, Mother's Day 2025, and this is going to be a cute video of me opening up my Mother's Day gift or unboxing my Mother's Day gift. Yes, I got another super cute Louis bag, so check it out. Mother's Day to me, opening up my gift from hubby. Smile, London. So cute, great packaging. All right, let's see what it is. Okay. Okay, nice little card. Ooh. Ooh. Thank you, London. Thank you, London. It's mommy's gift. So cute. Red interior, nice wallet. We have our chain. I love it.
Want the little one?
So, have our little chain. Honey, you want to help me put it on? Okay, this is just a little... Yeah, help me put this on. This is my third Louis bag. I love them. It's one of my favorite designers. Nice. No, it's mommy's, so I get to put it on first. I wanted a crossbody. Okay, London's turn. Hurry up, because the camera's going to run out. Pretty, London.
This is my Louis bag.
It's so cute. Okay, thanks, London. All right, go ahead. So, 2025, this is what I asked for Mother's Day. Probably 3 Mother's Days ago, 3 previous Mother's Days, I asked for this big boy. And this one is with the pink interior. So, this is the red. Comes with a nice little card case and a wallet. That's enough, Linda. And super cute. I'm really happy with it. I wanted a nice little crossbody. So Larry got me a super cute Mother's Day gift. Something I really wanted. It's my third Louis bag and I love it. Happy Mother's Day. So here are a few pictures of me back in the day with my very first Louis bag, the Speedy 35 that I purchased all by myself. I was so proud and I love that bag. So yeah, for Mother's Day, I got the Félicie Pochette in the Damier material, which is my favorite. Here is me with my never full Louis bag. And yes, I'm so happy. I love my bag and happy Mother's Day to everyone.